Now come to the second question. Today morning I arranged the books in the almirah of my room. In each shelf I arranged books equal to the number of shelves of almirah. But 5 books remained out of the almirah. If total number of books are 86, let's find the number of shelves of the almirah. So what does it mean? There are total 86 books, and from that, when I was arranging it in the almirah, 5 books were left outside. Okay, so 5 books are left outside. That means now remaining number of books is 81, which are kept in the shelf. How we are getting 81? We are just subtracting these two numbers. Okay, now you have to arrange these 81 books in the almirah in such a way that if the number of shelf is 1, that shelf will contain only 1 book. If the number of shelves are 2, then each shelf will contain 2 books, that means 4 books. In this way, if there are 3 shelves, each shelf will contain 3 books, that means total is 9. So similarly for 4 shelves, each shelf will contain 4 books and the total number will become 16. If you are adding these numbers, you will get the sum. So the similar way, 81 is given as these numbers. Okay, so you have to find this number. So how to get that? Just you have to find the square root of 81, and we all know that 9 nines are, it will become 81. That means there are 9 shelves, and in each shelf there are 9 books. Okay, in the similar way we will get the same answer. So how to do this sum? Write down the statements. In question number 2, we have to write in this way: total number of books, it is 86. Now write down number of books kept outside the almirah. Kept outside the almirah. It is told in the question that 5 books are outside the almirah. That means number of books inside the almirah. Number of books inside the almirah. For this you have to subtract 86 and 5. You will get 81. Okay. And now write down number of shelves equal to number of books in each shelf. Each shelf, LF. Okay, this is the singular number and this is plural. So number of books in each shelf. Now write down therefore number of, what is the question? That is find the number of shelves. So write down number of shelves. Okay. So here you have to find the square root of 81, and we all know that 9 nines are 81. So you have to write only 1 9, and in the answer you have to write there are 9 shelves in the almirah. For question number 3, this is the similar pattern. There were 40 students, and from these 40 students, 4 students are outside the arrangement, and there are number of rows and number of students in each row is equal. So there will be 36 students. We have to arrange them in the way that if there are number of rows that is 1, then there will be 1 student in each row. So similarly you have to find the square root and you will get 6. That means there will be 6 rows and 6 students will be there in each row. So I am not doing question number 3. You have to do it by your own. Try to do it at your home, and if you want to send me, you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Now I am coming to question number 4. The same way you have to do. No subtraction is there. The question number 4 is similar to question number 1. Rupees 729 this is given, and this amount has been collected in this way that the contribution of each member is equal to the number of members. So if we just find the square root of 729, we will get 27. Okay, so 27 members are there and each member is contributing 27 rupee. So you have to find the square root of 729 and you have to do the sum similarly as question number 1. So also do this question number 4 at your home. Okay, and the remaining sums you don't need to do. Okay, for annual, just do up to question number 4 and then come to question number 10.